As I mentioned before, prompt is very extensive, as it includes 2 scenes, because double exposure implies the presence of 2 scenes in order to create a layered effect. Prompt instructs us to create a composite image, with the initial scene or layer being described as such and such, and the second layer being described as such and such. That is, without these 2 elements, specifically 2 scenes, 2 completely different worlds, if you will, we will not be able to achieve the desired result. So the things that need to be paid attention to are enclosed in square brackets. So this is the first fragment. He will inform us about what will be surrounding the silhouette, what will be surrounding the character. It could be a forest, a city, the universe, anything. But the primary characteristic of this scene is some sort of scale. It should contain specific details. It should possess the capability to accurately depict various small elements. If this does not happen, then the double exposure will not be very good. For example, what we see on the screen right now is a forest that we use here. And the forest has a large number of branches, foxes, and so on. And it fits well into the picture and turns out to be a really impressive double exposure. So please bear in mind, the very first scene, the very first layer of your prompt